A global 3D machine vision solution provider, Coherix commits to providing customers with high-speed, high-definition error-proofing products. Since it was founded in 2003, Coherix keeps innovating and upholds the corporate philosophy of integrity and putting customers first. So far, Coherix has been recognized by numerous well-known OEMs and suppliers, and our products have been applied in the automotive, semiconductor, electronics, and general manufacturing industries. Headquartered in Ann Arbor, Michigan, Coherix maintains a joint venture in China, a wholly owned GmbH in Germany, a distribution partnership with Marubeni in Japan, and a wholly owned corporation in Singapore. Currently, Coherix's main product lines include Predator 3D for adhesive and sealant bead inspection, Robust 3D for assembly inspection and error proofing, and Shapix 3D for precision measurement of critical mating surfaces. Predator 3D is a highly integrated 3D bead inspection system that can be mounted around a dispensing nozzle. The sensor head is equipped with 4 high-speed 3D sensors, providing 360-degree 3D view of bead in any direction. With EyeSight modular core software embedded, the high-performing small processor box provides 3D information of bead width, height, volume, and location, and detects any skips or neck downs 400 times per second without the need for external computer. Predator 3D is laser-based. Therefore, it's not affected by changes in part color ambient lighting and is capable of providing 100% reliable inspection. It is compact with no moving parts, and it is crash resistant. Currently, Predator 3D is widely used by the automotive industry to inspect powertrain RTV beads and structural adhesive beads in body assembly. Robust 3D solutions are equipped with true 3D sensors, which generate millions of data points to form a 3D math model of a part and provide reliable error proofing that's not affected by changes in part color or ambient lighting. Robust 3D products are plant hardened and provide solutions to existing problems that have not been solved using other approaches. Current applications include engine piston pin circlip assembly, rolling finger follower assembly, valve assembly, end-of-line assembly inspection, and conduct measure combustion chamber volume measurement. Shapix 3D uses Coherix's proprietary laser holographic technology to quickly measure the flatness, waviness, profile, and height difference of critical mating surfaces at the micron level. It can be applied in labs and near-line situations. Today, Shapix 3D is used to measure a wide range of precision components, including engine blocks, engine heads, transmission valve bodies and cases, hydraulic manifolds, brake rotors, gear and gearboxes, heat exchangers, and pumps. All Coherix 3D vision inspection systems operate on its proprietary EyeSight modular software platform, which has been developed for over 150 man-years and field-tested in over 3,500 global installations. The modular architecture enables rapid development of customized applications and empowers system integrators to promptly respond to end users' rapidly changing needs. As a high-tech company awarded Henry Ford Technology Award and enjoying long-term close relationships with the University of Michigan, Shanghai Jiao Tong University, and Tongji University in China, Coherix devotes itself to providing the most advanced and robust 3D machine vision solutions to the automotive and other industries, and continuously helping customers improve quality, reduce cost, refine manufacturing process, and optimize product design.